are lucky enough to get to introduce Drawn In to the community at large. Research has showed that students that read graphic novels are reading at a 2 to 3 grade level higher than a student who's just reading an average picture book.
Drawn In is an exciting new culturally relevant and educational kids series that includes comic books, video shorts, a web experience, and live learning events. Live events include comic book writing workshops where early learners connect over a meal, learn essential vocabulary words, create independently, and share their stories.
I can't say that I was a huge comic book fan growing up, so my introduction has been through my son, who every book that he chooses is a graphic novel. But this whole experience has kind of changed my thoughts on those kind of books.
They are able to create their own stories, create their own comic strips, whatever that looks like to them. But the parents are hands-on and they're able to connect with their children around something that they're both enjoying. And so we're seeing bonding and relationship building. And it's also just in our community. We're not traveling 40, 50 minutes to get somewhere. It's in our backyard.